I'm scared.
Just pick whatever feels right. Oh yes, the pink one.
Oh crap.
You got this, Jeffrey.
Oh
You got this, Aizen.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna be stupid.
Are you serious?
Oh wow.
I wasn't stupid, apparently. I feel like it's playing with us. We've gotten things right so far, and I'm not. I'm scared. Wait. I'm scared. Wait. Stop floating. I'm scared. Wait. Wait. I'm scared. Wait. Luck's not on my side. I'm scared. Wait. It's not blowing up. I'm scared. No.
It's the longest game I ever played of this.
Are we?
Oh my god.
We broke the game.
Oh my Kiki.
This is not a thrill anymore. Yay! My thrill!
Yay.
Oh god.
My thrill.
Oh shit.
You got this, Jeffrey.
Ooh. Why is it? Oh my god. God damn it.
Oh no.
Oh my god. God damn it. You're always going for the one that was it. Oh.
The longest game of the world.
Yeah, I've never had it go on for
yeah.
this
Oh my
long.
god.
I've literally never had it go on for this long.
This is the longest I've ever seen. The thrill is gone.
The thrill is
Don't
gone.
say that.
Why not?
Ah!
Oh, there it goes.
Oh,
That's why I said don't say that. Because you said that and it killed you.
well, shit.
Oh, fuck,
This
dude.
game's been going on for so long.
Fuck it.
The thrill.
Oh.
Damn it.
God, why are you always picking the one that is?
The thrill of it all. Yeah, pink's the nice. Pink is pink. Pink's gonna.
Nope.
Pink would have
that's it.
steered you right. You should have trusted pink. You should have trusted Pink Jeffrey.
I'm surprised you noticed what I was doing.